pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
rich, sticky date loaf from the Bureau Home Baked Recipes Book 41st edition. For this you will need 250 grams of dates, finely chopped, 50 grams of butter or margarine, 125 grams of light soft brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, 300 ml of boiling water, 1 egg beaten, 200 grams of self-rising flour, and a 2-pound bread tin. Cook the dates, the butter and the sugar in boiling water for 2 or 3 minutes, and the bicarbonate of soda. Pour it into your prepared tin. Bake for 45 minutes to an hour at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan oven, convection oven. And now for the taste test. It's not bad. I'll give it 15 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale. It has a similar taste to a malt loaf.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.